As a Jira administrator, it's important to understand and actively manage your instance. Microscope allows you to audit your instance and supports you in simplifying migration, managing instance health, and reducing costs. Despite being extremely simple to use, Microscope provides powerful information with its insights and audit features. The Insights page presents an overview of statistics related to Jira. So if you're interested in information like the number of active users, projects, issues, and workflow configurations, you can see them quickly in one convenient place. There's also information on the number of custom fields, and you can view a comparison between those created by add-on apps versus the total number. Then you can see overview data for workflow configuration, attachments, and apps. Next, there are 3 types of audits to run in Microscope that provide you with in-depth information on different areas, including workflows, projects, and users. Let's say you have a workflow that uses a plugin that no longer exists or was uninstalled. Every time someone executes that workflow, Jira creates a log entry for each use of the plugin. This means there may be an excess of errors, which could slow down your instance. Depending on the number of workflows, transitions, and executions using the plugin, locating and removing each reference could be time-consuming and complex. Instead, complete a workflow audit in Microscope to help you easily locate missing plugins. To do this, select Workflow Audit from the app menu, click Run Scan. A CSV file downloads automatically, and this is your audit. In this file, you get detailed information about the workflows on your instance, including names, statuses, transitions, types, and modules. Also, you'll find information on which plugin is associated with each and the workflow function's URL. In our early example, these last 2 columns would be especially useful, because you can filter by missing plugin, which allows you to easily locate and remove them. The easiest and most effective way to analyze this data is to add it to a pivot table. Please refer to the Adaptavist product documentation for help with analyzing data produced from the audits. Next, to view details about the projects on your instance, run a project audit. Let's say you'd like to clean up your Jira instance by removing excess projects. The project audit in Microscope provides you with details such as who the leader of a project is, the number of issues each project has, and the number of issues created and updated in the last 30, 60, 90, or 120 days. Use this information to determine if there are projects that can be archived or deleted due to inactivity, and find places to clean up while maintaining the health of your instance. The data can also be used to identify active projects with inactive project leads. This allows you to reassign project leads so the projects can be managed by someone who is actively using Jira, allowing you to focus more on administrating your instance. You can also find which projects have the most issues and are using up the most space. The user audit can be used to help clean up accounts in your instance. Run a user audit to see details such as the usernames, IDs, and emails. The CSV also provides the user's status, groups, and number of logins. Using the number of logins and last login time, you'll have an idea of users who may not need the Jira accounts because they have limited logins or haven't logged in for a long time. Additionally, you can filter by status to check inactive users and see which accounts can be removed. With Microscope, using the 3 types of audits allows you to easily and more efficiently manage and clean up your instance. Despite its simplicity, Microscope offers powerful information to support you in administrating your Jira instance.